Hi, welcome back to step 2. You want to go ahead and click on step 2, but just before you click on step 2, I want to show you a little trick. Now this is optional, but I do recommend it because you'll need to show payment proof that you paid the $195 to go ahead to get verified to be able to start referring and getting your link and your dashboard and all of that. So really quickly, I have this and I've had it for years. It's called Jing. So you just go to jing.com. That's J as in Justin, I as in ice cream, N as in Nancy, G as in girl. So you go there and it's totally free. Just download it. So you'll get this little icon, look like a sun down at the bottom. You want to hit the plus sign. So let's say this is my payment screen, like proof that I paid. What you'll do is left click to hold down, and then you drag the area that you want to capture. And then you hit this little square to capture the image. And then you just save it, write whatever name you want to write there, and then you want to hit the save file. It's that simple. And then you could just send it to the email. Okay? Okay, so go ahead and get started. So step 2, you want to click on that down below, the button. And you'll come to this website. Once you get to this website, you want to go ahead and scroll down. Now what this is the sign up to the refer and earn site, which is what you see here, refer and earn. So please provide us with the required information. Make sure you have signed up for the designated web programs before you start. Okay? So you're going to scroll down. The username that you used for the web.com, you're going to put here. And basically that's the email that you used. You're going to put here. The password that you use for web.com, you're going to put here. Referred by, you're going to put my name in this box. Okay, this is what you want to put in this box, referred by this name. And then I'll also have it down below this video. Next, you want to put your first name here. You want to put your last name here. And then you want to go ahead and choose a password. This could be whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want. It doesn't matter. This does not have to match what you use for web.com. This right here is for verification purposes in order for you to be able to start getting paid. So this could be something totally different if you choose. It's totally up to you. Then you want to place your phone number here. And remember when I said you needed a PayPal email address to get paid, you have to have that here. That's the only way that you're going to get paid. Okay, so if you did not create that account, you need to do so right now. Okay, pause the video, go ahead and do that. Come back, put your PayPal email here, okay? Then you want to check this box that you agree, and then hit start referring. And during this time, once you hit the start referring, you'll see the thank you and welcome page. And then also, in the meantime, your account is going to be getting verified. That's going to allow you to start getting paid. So be sure to submit your payment proof that you paid the $1.95. I'll see you in step 3.